And now, ladies and gentlemen, for your entertainment, we present to you Being Aggressive.
Video now, so can you please walk away? Dude, look, there's nobody else around, okay? There's no reason you should be standing here stalking me. You want to talk about aggressive? That's disrespectful. Can you please go away? Are you on drugs or something? Why are you standing there?
I'm going to call the police.
Okay, call them. Call them. Call them. And I'm going to have you arrested and tested for drugs. Please go away.
This is not a legal spot for you to park in.
It's not a legal spot for me to park in. I'm under the shade. It's Florida. Who are you? Are you an officer? Are you a lawyer? Seriously, where do you live? What building do you live in? How long have you been here?
I've lived here for 10 years.
You lived here for 10 years. I've never seen you once. The that walks around here every time, she lives over there. There's a cop that lives over there. Is one of the managers here. Who are you? I'm here all the time, so I don't know who you are. But call whoever you need to call.
You're lying and being aggressive.
I'm lying and I'm being aggressive. Okay, well, I'm sorry that you don't believe me. Like I said, it's all recorded. You're standing here. You're being very strange. You're being very rude. And there's absolutely... I've had that here since I've been in Florida for 3 years. What's your license plate? What do you drive?
Sir, you need to leave me alone.
What is your license plate and what do you drive? There's no reason that you have to have your dog here. You can do whatever you want. You're just as... This is how far I am. I'm not even beyond my vehicle and you're standing here. You can go away. I'm asking you to go away. Okay, that's fine. You're some sort of weird voodoo guy, but I have this on recording, so if you do call the police, just so you know, I know exactly what you look like, so that if you don't live here or if you cause me further issues, I will make sure to report it to management. Okay? Cool. Okay, do you want to keep cursing at me? Because I didn't disrespect you once. You stood by my vehicle. You can call whoever you want.
I'm calling the police right now.
Okay, that's cool. So, building 520.
Mom, there's a strange man out here, Mom.
And this is apartment 107. Okay.
Let's not focus on him. Focus on me. And relax.
He was calling people.
He's loud. He's loud. Okay.
He's followed me to the door.
That's all right.
You started cursing and swearing at me.
Right now, I don't want him anymore. He has to go.
He's trying to make sure I'm okay. Walk away. Just trying to make sure.
I think this guy's on some drugs or something. I guess his mother. So I want to talk to his mother. So he started cursing and threatening me. You're done. You're out of here. So I took my camera and I started recording it. So I walked over here and now he's like, oh, he's following me. He's gonna kill me. He's doing all this thing. So we're gonna talk to his mom, make sure everything's all right. But everything that he's saying.
Why is he following me?